What's up, guys? Welcome back to AJ's Builds. Today we're going to be doing the notorious annoying issue of all of these BMW e46s, or really any BMW of this era, is the front A-pillars of the interior by the windshield. All of them, almost everyone you see, the material starts to sag, it peels down, you got your windows down and you're driving, and the material's just blowing in the wind, and it's a super pain and it's a complete eyesore. So today what I'm going to be showing you guys is I'm going to be removing those front interior A-pillars by the windshield, and then I'm going to be getting the old material off, and I'm going to be wrapping them with a new material. I am going to choose a red and black pattern plaid, just because I want to throw some plaid in the car. I like to be a little different. I like to have my own taste and style. But this is just a guide on how to do it, how to get it off, how to get the material off, and then what to use to put the new material back on. And all right, let me get to it. First off, you want to pull this little access panel right here. This little panel underneath has all the clips and screws to get this pillar out. And as you can see, all the material is peeling already. So I have a special 3M paint that's made for interior panels, all types of fabrics like carpets and vinyl, things like that. So this, I'm going to actually paint with my special fabric paint, and I'm going to be painting it black, because I'm going to be doing this panel in a red and black plaid. So that comes off. You can see those little clips. You just got to get a panel popper or anything, even a screwdriver, where you can just get in here and pop it. So now I'm going to be using a torque, which the torque size for this is a 20.
Si no le contesto, si no le contesto, si no le contesto,
I ran out of patience there. It is a size 20 torque, but if you guys happen to have it, it makes it a lot easier. You just use this little socket, torque socket, and you put it on your ratchet. That way you can maneuver it a lot easier, and you're not taking all day just to get it off.
Piensa que con otro estoy haciendo lo que le hacía ella. Ella, como tu mente maquinea. Cuando en la mía estoy, mujer, no quiero más pelea. No más pelea. Si no le contesto, se desespera.
So I'm actually going to finish this project at my house. I'm just taking them off here because the car's at the shop, but I'm going to bring these panels to my house and wrap them with the fabric later tonight when I get to my house. So I'll be showing you guys all that once I get home. And now you're going to just tuck it, untuck it, it should come right out. Be really careful for the airbag there. You don't want to hit that or snag it or anything like that. So super easy. You have 3 screws, and then you just untuck it right around here. It tucks into this rubber channel, so you untuck it from there. And like I said, be careful, do not puncture or hit the airbag. Do not take any tools and dig them all the way down to open it. You just come right here with your tool and just put a little pry there, and then pull the rest out by hand so you don't end up hitting that airbag.
Piensa que con otro estoy haciendo lo que le hacía ella. Ella, como tu mente maquinea. Cuando en la mía estoy, mujer, no quiero más pelea. No más pelea. Tú te sentías bien segura de mi amor, se te olvidó.
You can see how bad this material is. I can just whoop, pull it right off. So now that it's off, I'm going to put the new material on. Like I said, I'm going to do the new material once I get home. So I'll talk to you guys later tonight. What's up, guys? AJ's Builds. I'm back here at my house. Like I said, I'm going to be wrapping those front A-pillars on the BMW e46. So today I'll be showing you how to do it and the materials that I used. So the first step is to lay out the fabric. And you want it about 1/4 inch around all the edges so you can fold it over. here. So let's see. 1/4 inch over. Now I'm going to cut the length.
Que nadie manda en su corazón. Ahora me pide amor y no tengo.
There we go. Now I'm going to spray the outside of this with the adhesive. Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. It's a 3M spray. It works really good. You can get it at any fabric store.
En el tiempo que me pediste se murió.
Ni carta ni flores, copiaste, I'm sorry. Yo no lo maté, mucho tiempo gasté, no lo utilizaste, solo me quería como un cuate. Dime lo que tú te crees.
Si tengo otra gata, eso no es de tu interés.
Alright, now I'm going to place the material over it. Make sure I give myself enough room on both sides for it to overlap. Alright. And then you start from the top. You get it nice and straight to start your pattern. So you want to make sure you start your pattern nice and straight. And then now you work your way down with your hand.
No te cause tanto estrés, solo hablemos de sex, que ahora tú eres mi ex. Si no le contesto se desespera, piensa que con otro estoy haciendo lo que le hacía a ella.
I'm going to cut off all this extra that I don't need.
Ea, como tu mente maquinea, cuando en la mía estoy mujer no quiero más pelea, no más pelea. Si no le contesto se desespera, piensa que con otro estoy haciendo lo que le hacía a ella. Ea, como tu mente maquinea.
Now I'm going to use the spray glue and spray this inner edge all the way around.
En la mía estoy mujer no quiero más pelea, no más pelea.
Y yo te dije que tú ibas a volver para atrás, que nadie como yo, baby, te iba a tratar. Yo estaba seguro que tú estabas equivocada, pero tú decidiste por la vida volar y volar.
Alright, so now I'm going to work from the middle out and wrap it around nice and tight. This is where you want to keep it tight so that it doesn't have any creases or bagginess and flop around in the car. You want the material to look nice and tight. So that's what I'm doing. Pulling it tight. I kind of pull it, wrap it around, and pinch it with my finger. Same here. And then when I get to the end like this, you can see here, this material is going to fold over this, so I just put a little spray on there so that when it comes over, it attaches to the material like that. Flip it over. So same on the edge here, spray it and flip. This was a little loose there, so I pulled it back. Now see how there's an edge right here? I have a little lip right here that's baggy, a little crease, so I'm going to pick it up, pull it tight, and wrap it around. And that's what you want. You want the material nice and tight. So again, you can see on this side, this little bit here, I'm going to pull it tight and wrap it around. Tends to dry pretty quick, so that's why I kind of sprayed along the way. And right here, because of this clip, I'm going to put a little relief cut so that it's not making the material all baggy. So there's a little relief cut there. And this fold over here. Alright, so it's all tacked down. Let's turn it over and see how it looks. It looks pretty good. Now, in here, in these grooves, the cover panel, it's a little access panel to get to the 3 Torx. It clips in. So that's where I take the razor blade that I have and put a slice in each slot.
Vuela, vuela, si quieres probar, dale prueba. Si no vale la pena, mejor que se muera. Que yo sigo tranquilo, gozando de la buena. A mí tú no me vengas a montarle esa escena. A mí tú no me vengas con cuentitos de novela. Tú sabes que por ti yo hacía lo que fuera. No querían otra clola.
Si no le contesto se desespera. Piensa que con otro estoy haciendo lo que le hacía a ella. Ella, como tú